Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Log In, where today I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Umpqua Bank account. First of all, just go into any web browser that you are using and go into the search bar and just type for Umpqua Bank login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first result that pops up. After doing so, it will take you to the official website of Umpqua Bank. And here you can see there is a login button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on login. Now after clicking on login, you need to choose a login based on what you want to log in into. It's either personal banking or business banking or credit card or other logins as well. For now, I'm going to choose personal banking. Here, now you can see there is a login ID in front of you. Click on Login ID and input your correct login ID in order to log in to your Umpqua Bank. Now, after inputting your correct login ID, hit on Login. After doing so, you'll be taken into a different interface again where you need to input your password as well. Now, input your password as well and then hit on Login again. After doing so, you'll be logged in completely to your Umpqua Bank account. So guys, that's how you log in into your bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews. For more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.